and space did not allow us to succeed the way that we thought our love life would be. Every time I see that smile on your face, it brings me so much joy in my heart. Yeah, takes me back to the very first time when you said you wanted us to start. Lady, I apologize for all those lonely days and those restless nights without me by your side. And when you cry, 'cause my insensitivity didn't see the signs, when all I wanted was to make you smile. Well, oh, boy, listen, she was the bestest, top of my checklist.